When you hand your data to Materialise CO-AM software platform, security is not just a priority, it's a commitment that directly benefits you. Active in highly regulated industries like aerospace, energy, and defense, we know security, and peace of mind over your data protection is always our leading priority. We've woven security into the very fabric of CO-AM. This robust foundation protects your data in transit and at rest with the strongest encryption available. Concerned about weak passwords? With CO-AM, you can sleep easy. We offer federated authentication via your chosen identity provider, employing the most secure protocols and multi-layer protection. You can also count on secure cloud deployment in a variety of commercial environments, including support for high-security U.S. government applications. Following guidance from NIST 800-171 and HIPAA, CO-AM's constantly evolving perimeter security protects your data with strong cryptography and a well-defined security boundary. Our secure software development lifecycle also addresses security at every stage, from preparation and design to verification and deployment, to understand your concerns and meet all your needs. Designed for open access, you can securely connect to third-party applications through CO-AM, including APIs that link to your own proprietary workflow solutions. You're also protected by Identify 3D software, encrypting, distributing, and tracing the flow of your parts to prevent counterfeits and maliciously modified or uncertified parts from entering your supply chain. And finally, security doesn't begin and end with CO-AM. Each and every department at Materialise is committed to maintaining the confidentiality and integrity of your data. Trust us. Your data is safe in our hands.